Welcome to Let's Speak in English. In this video, we're going to look at the zero conditional, uses, structure, and some examples. If you're interested in improving your English speaking skills, brush up on grammar and pronunciation and anything that has to do with English as a foreign language, then you've come to the right channel. So let's get straight to it and look at the uses, structure, and some examples. Now, I want to make this as simple as possible so you can understand it and be able to use it as often as possible. So we'll start off with the use. The zero conditional is used when we want to talk about general truths or facts, when the result of an action always happens, when something is always true. Okay, it does not change. Let's look at a simple example. If water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Now let's break it down and take a closer look at the structure. In the sentence we said previously, if water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils, we have some elements. First of all, we have two major elements, which are the clauses. They're called small sentences, let's say. We have the if clause and the result. In the if clause, we always have if plus a subject, in this case water, and present simple tense, reaches. Then we have a comma, which separates the two clauses. And we begin again with the subject, which in this case is it, and then the present simple again. So it's if plus subject plus present simple, comma, subject plus present simple. If water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Now keep in mind that we can change the order of the clauses. We can have the result at the beginning and the if clause towards the end. Let's look at some examples. If you touch a fire, you get burnt. If babies are hungry, they cry. Snakes bite if they are scared. In this case, we've changed the order of the clauses, but as you can see, there is no comma before the if. And finally, you get water if you mix oxygen and hydrogen. Common truths, these things always happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in more tips and advice on English grammar, pronunciation, phrases, etc., then watch the next video that is presented to you on the screen. See you in the next one.